Want to take better photos with your iPhone? Here are some hidden camera tricks you should start using. First, turn on the grid. Open Settings, go to Camera, and enable Grid. This helps you frame your shots using the rule of thirds. Next, use the volume buttons as a shutter. Instead of tapping the screen, press the volume up button to take a steady photo. It reduces shake and gives you a cleaner shot. Third, lock the focus. Tap and hold anywhere on the screen until you see AE/AF lock. This keeps the focus and exposure locked so your lighting stays consistent. Fourth, try the burst mode. Hold the shutter button and swipe left to capture a burst of photos, perfect for action shots or moving subjects. Fifth, use photographic styles. Open the camera app, swipe up, and tap the icon with 3 squares. You can pick a style like rich contrast or warm, great for giving your photos a unique look. And that's it. Simple iPhone tricks that instantly improve your photos. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.